Hello, in front of me I've got High on Life 2. In this video we'll check if this game is well optimized. As you can see, High on Life 2 is currently experiencing significant performance issues across all platforms at launch, characterized by frequent stuttering, frame rate drops, and on PC potential crashes, while it utilizes Unreal Engine 5 to create impressive fast-paced visuals, many users report poor optimization, with high-end hardware still stuttering to maintain consistent 60 FPS. Let's take a look at my settings. In video we can find 1080p, 60 frame rate limit, FSR on performance, and frame interpolation. Yet, the game works in about 30 FPS, with a lot of stuttering during combat. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.